Hello tech adventurers. In this video I will show you how to turn off automatic Windows Update. So the first step is to right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and then click on Run. Now we will search for services.msc. Here, click on any activity, and then press W on the keyboard, and then search for Windows Update. Now right-click on it, and then click on Properties, and follow the steps I do. So this is how you disable it. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.